Today's video is going to answer the question, what is a trademark? We're also going to talk about the three most common types of trademark, and those would be names, logos, and slogans. My name is Chris Stewart, and I'm a trademark attorney in Texas. I want to provide helpful information to you today as you start your trademark journey. Of course, I can't provide in this video any legal advice, but I definitely want to give you some good starting information for you along the way. I hope you'll find this information to be helpful. Let's start first with what is a trademark? Well, a trademark is a word or combination of words or a symbol that identifies the source of a product or a service. So when we think of some of the most famous brands, for example, when we think of McDonald's, the word McDonald's identifies the source of the hamburgers and the French fries. The name Domino's identifies the source of the pizza. The name Crest identifies a toothpaste. It identifies the source of a product or a service. A trademark reinforces positive emotions or feelings that you want your consumer to feel about your product or service. I like to think of a trademark as a container of value. Sometimes this value is referred to as goodwill, the goodwill associated with the brand. The more valuable the brand becomes, of course, the more valuable that trademark becomes. The small business becomes a bigger business. The small business with just a few customers grows in time to have a greater market share, makes more revenue, more profit. That name becomes valuable over time as consumers associate it then with a quality product or a service. So, a trademark identifies the source of a product or service. It's a container of value, and it reinforces consumers' positive feelings, hopefully positive feelings, right, about a product or a service. So let's take a look at some of the three most common types of trademarks. The first one would be a name, of course. We've talked about the name McDonald's. There's value in that name. Another name would be Walmart or Doritos, very valuable brands, brand names. Those are one category of trademark. Another one is a logo. We see logos all the time. And I'm not going to put any of these logos on the screen, but let's do a little test here. I'm going to name a logo. And without showing it on the screen, I'll bet you can visualize this logo in your mind's eye. Let's see how you do. Suppose I mentioned the Apple logo. Can you visualize it? What about the Microsoft logo? What about the Nike swoosh symbol or the Amazon logo? Can you picture these logos in your mind's eye? They create, right? They identify the name or the source of the product or service. Our third category of trademarks, these are your slogans. Let's test you on some slogans here. I'm going to name the slogan. Can you name the company it's associated with? Finger licking good. KFC. How about every kiss begins with K? It's K Jewelers. Or we've got the tagline, just do it. Well, that's Nike, of course. So what about your business? Do you have a product or service name that people associate with your business? Do you have a logo that you're using that people associate with your business? How about a tagline that people associate with your business? It may be ripe for trademarking. It may be something that you need to consider. Does it reinforce positive feelings about your company, your product, your service? If so, you may want to trademark it. In other videos, I'll show you how. My name is Chris Stewart. I'm a trademark attorney, and I want to thank you for watching today. If you liked what you saw, give us a like. We always appreciate your comments or feedback if you have any. And again, thank you for tuning in today. We appreciate you and wish you good luck on your trademark journey.